Hey family, let's make some Italian sausage rigatoni. The first thing you want to do is cook your noodles according to the package's directions. This is the brand of Italian sausages I'm using and they are so good. I added them into the pan with a little bit of oil and cooked them for about 2 to 3 minutes before I added the onions and the bell peppers. Then I seasoned it with pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some Italian seasoning. I cooked these until the sausages were cooked through and the bell peppers were as soft as I like them. I like them to have a little bit of a bite to it. Once they were done, you can go ahead and add them to your cooked noodles and then top it with some of your favorite spaghetti sauce. Then I went back and added more of the same seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, but this time I added a little bit of crushed red peppers just to give it a little bit of a kick and some more Italian seasoning. Then I added some vegan butter and some vegan cheese. This is just Chao cheese, the sliced one, but I just chopped it up. Once that becomes nice and melted, then you're all done. I served this with broccoli and garlic bread, and then I topped the pasta with some vegan Parmesan cheese, and it was so delicious. I really hope you guys try this recipe, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.